Hi guys, we have here Mr. International Philippines from Santo Tomas, Batangas, Marcus Stephen Parcon.
Okay naman po, sobrang blessed na successful na tapos yung media press presentation and naging maganda yung flow ng show.
Can you say about the press presentation? How do you feel about it?
I feel great and honored po kasi, di ba, yung maging part ka lang po ng Mr. International Philippines It's either manalo, matalo, we're all distinctively handsome, with or without a crown.
Tell us something about yourself.
Well, I'm 22 years old and I work as a cashier sa aming munting coffee shop sa Capigenyo, Tanawan, City, Batangas. Yes. 2 years na po siya. Ang may-ari po na spiritual father ko sa church, Victory. Yes, we were born again.
Won Mr. International Philippines Batangas, right?
This last April 7.
What are you doing before the MIPH Batangas?
Nagpa-pageants na rin po ako before. Ang pinaka last ko po is before the Mr. International Philippines Batangas is yung Ginoong Tomasino. Yes. That was held on September 6 or 7. Kung maalala ko po ba, yun. Kaya ako po ang naging representative ng City of San Tomas for Mr. International Philippines Batangas. Graduate na po ako of Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. STI College Tanawan.
Why join Mr. International Philippines?
Talagang ever since po, nag-start ako ng pageant talaga exactly a decade ago, back when I was grade 7. So, dun po nakita ko na ang pageantry po pala, hindi lang siya basta pagwapuhan. It's your time na para ipakita mo, ilahad mo sa tao kung ano ka ba at sino ka ba talaga. And also your advocacies. Kaya talagang sabi ko, ang ganda po ng pageant kasi for me sa pageantry po, grabe rin yung nabubuo namin brotherhood sa sama-sama kami ng mga co-candidates. Hindi namin nakikita isa na, bawat isa na, ay kalaban ko to, si ganito, ganyan. Talagang sobrang ganda po ng brotherhood. Kaya, so yung brotherhood po na yun, nabibuild din natin yung sarili natin to be better.
Advocacy, may advocacy ka?
Yes, I would like to continue to advocate for better healthcare program. And because I think everyone here can relate that at some point in their lives, we lost someone important. Kasi wala po yung grandmother ko. Mother siya ng mami ko. Yes. Yes, so much. So talagang siya po yung number 1 supporter ko, number 1 fan na lagi nandyan to always guide me and support me.
How old are you when she passed away?
I guess I was 22. Yeah.
So how are you able to cope up with her passing?
Mahirap po siya nung una, to be honest, pero pagka iniisip ko po na she's now in a better place, diba? Parang yun na lang po naging na kasama niya na sigad, nakauwi na siya sa ating creator, so for me that's good enough, parang hindi na po siya nahihirapan.
So since this is your advocacy regarding mental health, what advice can you give to our younger ones regarding mental health issues, those who are experiencing anxiety, depression? Anong ma-advise mo sa kanila?
And guys, so speaking of mental health, alam ko napakahirap talaga to pero for me, kahit po kasi ako personally, may times na syempre as a tao, may mga times na na-depress tayo, naging emotional. Pero always remember to talk to God first before you overthink, diba? Before you worry. Yun lang po talaga, by prayers. Kasi minsan po, yung alam mo sobrang problemado na para mabaliw ka na, minsan ang kailangan mo ng prayer Sobrang, and after that, talagang naagaan po siya ng pakiramdam. If you pray sincerely.
The help of your good friends, makakatulong dito sa depression and anxiety. Surround yourself with good people, people you know, very close. Sinong pinaka-close mo dito sa mga candidates?
Actually, yung pinaka-close ko po sa candidates, yung pinaka-main sa amin Batangas, si Brent Jonathan Mendoza. Kasi po, we're friends na since 2020. Yan, sobra po gawa na sa gym. Nag-aalala na kami sa gym. And one of my closest is the Rainy Ruslan Colico. Sige mo ba siya shoutout?
Hi!
So, pinaka-close ko.
Hello po.
Sobra sa lahat.
Grabe, support niyo po si Marcos and yung mga brothers ng Batangas. Si Marcos po is a good man and I know that yung team ng Batangas will be a great team for Mr. International.
And guys, I would like to take my time. Join him also, support him. He will be competing Bangkok, Thailand this coming June.
Yeah, 17 to 24.
Yes.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
See you, man. Salamat. Okay.
Thank you.
Come and join me on my journey this coming June 30 for our coronation night. I think it will be held in Batangas, FPJ's Arena. Yan. See you there. Ale. You can follow me on Facebook at my page, Marcus Parcon, and my main social media account, Marcus Parcon, and also in Instagram, Marcus Parcon.
Because since MIPH will be held in Batangas, tingin mo, advantage ba ito sa'yo?
For me, it will be an advantage kasi po yung mga fans namin, mas may chance sila na makapunta kasi mas malapit yung mas magiging convenient po siya. Pero at the same time, sobrang nakaka-pressure kasi home court po yun, di ba? Kaya import the crown talaga, sobra.
Alright, thank you, Marcos. Thank you. And sa Marcos.